Hello everyone. I know how frustrating it is out there right now with home buying prices soaring. It can feel like owning a home is out of reach. But today, I want to show you why that might not be true. I'm touring two of the most affordable new homes in Cleveland, Tennessee today. Real starter home options, perfect for people tired of renting and ready to invest in their future. Today, I'll walk you through both homes, from layout and finishes to why each could be a smart investment if you're ready to stop renting and start building equity. So stick with me, because if homeowner feels out of reach, you might be surprised of what's out there. Let's get to it. This is the most affordable of the two homes I'm going to show you today. Both are new construction. This one right here is listed only for $229,000. And it's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, and a 1,200 square feet. And it's located in South Cleveland. And it has that open concept that a lot of people are looking for. Enjoy the tour. entering the second home, and you're gonna notice that this home, even though the price is a little bit higher than the first one, it speaks for itself. It has better finishes, better finishing touches, and you're gonna see it all throughout this home. So let's start the tour. This beautiful home is only listed for $235,000 and it's 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1,149 square feet, and it has beautiful granite countertops with stainless steel appliances and that open concept that a lot of people are looking for, and has plenty of windows bringing in that beautiful sunlight. Enjoy the tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour. The most affordable homes usually won't check every single box. You heard me say this in other videos when I tour the ideal homes. You know, great neighborhoods, newer subdivisions with new construction, close to highways, amazing schools, all that. But sometimes affordability and checking all the boxes don't line up. And that's okay, because this strategy is for the person who wants to start building wealth right now, even if the dream home isn't in reach yet. A starter home is your first step, and that step really matters. So if you're renting right now and you really want to start growing equity, even if the home doesn't check every single box or everything on your list, give me a call. The number's on the screen. Let's get you moving towards that future home that will check all the boxes.